Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into the world of luxury and tradition to explore a true icon, the Havana cigar. What makes these cigars so legendary? Let's find out. The story of Havana Cigars is deeply woven into the history of Cuba itself. When Columbus arrived in 1492, he found the indigenous Taíno people smoking rolled tobacco leaves. This was the world's first introduction to what would become a global symbol of sophistication. Cuba's unique combination of soil, climate, and humidity, particularly in the Volta Abajo region, creates the perfect conditions for growing the finest tobacco in the world. This special environment, or terroir, is something that simply cannot be replicated anywhere else. So, what goes into making a Havana cigar? It's all about craftsmanship. Every single Havana cigar is totalmente a mano, made completely by hand. The process is meticulous. First, the finest leaves are selected and aged for years to develop their complex flavors and aromas. Then, a master roller or torcedor takes over. These are highly skilled artisans who have spent years, sometimes decades, perfecting their craft. The wrapper leaf, the most delicate and expensive part, is then applied with incredible precision. This dedication to tradition is why each Havana is a work of art. Now, let's talk about the different sizes, or vitolas. You might have heard names like Robusto, Churchill, or Corona. Do these names matter? Absolutely. The size and shape of a cigar dramatically affects its smoking experience. A shorter, thicker Robusto, for example, offers a rich, concentrated flavor and is great for a shorter smoke of about 45 minutes. A longer, more elegant Churchill, named after the famous British Prime Minister, provides a cooler, more evolving smoke that can last well over an hour, allowing the flavors to develop and change as you go. There's no single best size. It's all about personal preference and how much time you have to relax and enjoy the moment. For beginners, a smaller Corona might be a great starting point. Finally, the ritual of lighting the cigar. This is a crucial step to ensure you get the best experience. You don't just light it up like a cigarette. First, you need to cut the cap, the closed end you put in your mouth. A sharp guillotine or V-cutter is ideal. Make a clean, shallow cut to create an opening without damaging the cigar's structure. Then, it's time for the flame. Use a butane torch lighter or a wooden match, as sulfur from regular matches or fluid from a Zippo can taint the flavor. Gently toast the foot of the cigar, the end you light, by holding the flame about an inch away and rotating the cigar. This warms the tobacco and prepares it for an even burn. Once the foot is glowing evenly, you can bring it to your lips and take a few gentle puffs while continuing to rotate it in the flame. A perfect, even burn is the key to unlocking all those wonderful, complex flavors. And there you have it, a journey into the heart of the Havana cigar. It's more than just a smoke. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and a ritual to be savored. It's about taking a moment to slow down and appreciate true craftsmanship. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.